Product accessory display. Preparation before flight. Installing drone batteries. Tighten the drone battery. Place the drone on a level ground, installing the remote control battery. Open the drone. Long press to open the remote control. The startup light flashes briefly and turns to a constant light, indicating a frequency difference. Move the joystick upwards to calibrate the drone. The drone flashes continuously and turns to a constant light, indicating successful calibration. Long press the left wing to calibrate the drone. The drone flashes continuously and turns to a constant light, indicating successful calibration. Press the one-click takeoff button. You can take off with just one click. Paired the aircraft horizontally, threw it into the air, took off and hover. Power on defaults to mode 1. Press and hold the gravity unlock button. Flying on the right side. Flying on the left side. Forward. Retreat. Left rotation. Right rotation. Rise. Decline. Long press the switch button to switch mode 2. Flying on the right side. Flying on the left side. Forward. Retreat. Press and hold the gravity unlock button. Left rotation. Right rotation. Rise. Decline. Short press the right button. Implement headless mode. Long press the right button. Aircraft achieves encirclement. Press the remote control joystick vertically. Drones achieve 360 stunts rolling. Long press the left button entering induction mode. Short press the one-key descent button. One-click landing. Replace the fan blades. Directly remove the fan blades. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B blades. Replace with new air blades. Battery charging. Connect the charging cable to the battery first. Connect the charging cable to the power supply. The red light remains on during charging. When fully charged, the red light goes out.